So let's talk about the pre-approval process and how you can be better prepared. Make sure you stay to the end of the video and I'll give you a bonus tip on how to be just a little extra prepared. So without further ado, let's jump into it. I want you to think of the pre-approval process similar to working with a lawyer and building a case. We've all seen Suits or Law and Order, so this should make a ton of sense to you. So the first step in the process, of course, is going to be to reach out to a loan officer. They're going to ask you a few initial questions and then a lot of times take you through an application. This is the part where they just make sure that you even have a case. They'll talk about your credit to make sure that there's no hard stops and that your score is where it needs to be. Talk about your income, the source of that, and to put that up against your liabilities so we can generate a debt to income ratio. And then lastly, cover your assets to make sure that you've got enough for the down payment and any closing costs required. Once you've gone through this application process and all the numbers look good, the loan officer is going to ask you for some supporting documentation. Think of this part like gathering the evidence. Some of that evidence is going to include last 2 years W-2s, most recent tax returns to cover 2 years, 30 days worth of pay stubs, 2 months worth of bank statements, and then also any documentation associated with assets that you already own. So mortgage bill, tax bill, insurance bill, and any HOA bill. These are just the minimums, but guys, if you have this stuff together, you're going to be way ahead of the game. Once you provide this documentation to the loan officer, they're going to review your evidence along with the initial questionnaire, your application, and get back to you with any available products for you. Once you've determined that you'll qualify for a different product, then you're officially pre-approved and you can go shopping for a home. Now, last tip, my bonus tip. If you are thinking of purchasing a home, but you've got a couple other options on the table for large purchases like a car, or maybe you want to co-sign for a student loan for one of your kids, hold on. Talk to your loan officer first because those large purchases can put you out of contention to getting a mortgage. Now, once you've gone through the pre-approval process and you're under contract on a property, the loan officer or lawyer in this scenario will present your case to the judge or underwriter in this case. And once the judge gives you an approval, you'll have a conditional loan approval, and from there you'll be able to close on your home loan. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. If you liked anything in this video, please click the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.